when we bring the lights down, it's going to happen very quickly. So we need everybody to be as quiet as you can be, and then focus right here. And then once it happens, when I say 1, 2, 3, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3. And I need everybody together at one time to say science, right? So 1, 2, 3. Science! All right, so that's what we're going to need. So we'll say that, and then we'll see what happens, and then we'll talk about it. All right, so, ready? All right, let's bring the lights down. Let's close the spots, kill the spotlights for this experiment. Yeah, okay. All right, okay, good. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Science!